Bybit just leveled up with the Bybit Card. Imagine being able to spend your crypto anywhere, just like cash. No more converting to fiat or waiting for withdrawals. The Bybit Card makes it easy to use your crypto for everyday purchases, both online and in stores. In this video, I will show you exactly how it works, how to get one, and why it's a game changer for crypto users like you. Getting your Bybit Card is super easy. Here's how you can apply. Firstly, log into your Bybit account and go to the Bybit Card section. Click on Apply Now and fill in your personal details. Then, complete KYC verification. This is required for security and compliance. Choose whether you want the virtual card for online payments or the physical card for in-store and ATM use. Wait for approval. This usually takes a few minutes to a few days. Funding the Bybit Card is easier than you think. Here is how to do it. Go to your Bybit Card dashboard. Select Top Up and choose the crypto you want to use. Convert it to fiat. Regardless of the currency, Bybit handles this conversion automatically. Now your card is ready to use, just like any other debit card. Now that you have created your Bybit Card, I have some good news for you. You can earn 10% cash back when you use the Bybit Card. Here is how you can qualify for it. You need to deposit at least $100 or its equivalent after card application to qualify. You need to spend with your Bybit Card to earn this 10% cashback. New users can earn up to $300 in cashback, while old users can earn $150 within the first month. As a Bybit VIP, you could earn 100% rebate when you use your Bybit Card on platforms like Spotify, Netflix, ChatGPT, and many more. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.